today we have a little bit of a wild flow, core, booty, mixing it all up. I'm in Bryce Canyon National Park giving you an amazing outdoor body workout. Taking animal crawls and different various movement exercises known in the wild and bringing them right here for you. But don't get me wrong, it is going to be a burner, booty, core, full body. It's going to be amazing. I'm up here on Peekaboo Trail. It is just stunning. If you've never been to Bryce Canyon National Park, you have to come here. Today we got our non-stop 10-minute workout. I got my clock right here. So it's an exercise for 45 seconds non-stop, and then we're just gonna do a little bit of cardio in between because we're gonna be on all fours, a lot of shoulder work, a lot of core work. So I want you to have a quick cardio break from your shoulders in between. So remember, go hard, do your mobility before, stretching after, do this workout 2 times in a row. Challenge yourself, even do it 3 times. Let's get it. We're gonna start with bear crawls in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right here, so I go nice and easy. Bear crawl backwards. All you need is like 1 or 2, 3, maybe 4. If you're just here, you don't have much space, that's fine too. Let's make it burn, baby. Come on. Oh yeah. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. And let's go. We're just gonna run in place right here. Keep the core tight. Don't take this lightly. Let's go. Come on, 5 seconds. Next we're gonna do bird dog. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna be on all fours. Lock out, squeeze in, switch. Squeeze in, switch. Squeeze in, switch. 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 A lot of times you just do this repetitive, same side. You gotta keep your core engaged and focused when you're switching every time like this. Come on. Lock out, squeeze. Belly button tight. Let's go, 10 seconds. Here we go. Standing crunches. 15 seconds. Next we're going crab kicks. 3, 1. So you're gonna be right here. You're gonna dip, kick up. Dip, kick up. Shoulders, keep your core tight. Belly button to spine. You'll feel it in your shoulders. Get those triceps going. Full body crab kicks. Whew. Let's go. 15 seconds. Make sure your shoulders are right above your wrist. You don't want them flaring out too much. Let's go, make it burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And run in place, let's go. Come on, let's get it. 10 seconds. You got this. 2, 1. Next we're gonna be on all fours again. Just gonna leg raise side to side. Remember, core tight. This is glutes and core. Definitely an animal movement right here. Almost there. Come on. 15 seconds. Belly button to spine. Remember, if you're a beginner, take your time with these exercises. If you're more advanced, you go all out every single time. Let's go, crunching. Knees up. Crunch it, baby. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. We got frog leaps. So right here, tap, coming up. Coming up. Let's go. Tap, booty down. 30 seconds. Yeah. Engage the core. Make it burn. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Run in place. Let's go. Next we got animal crunches, all fours, crunching up. Let's go. Run it out, baby. Come on. 2, 1. So right here, you're gonna come up, crunch, crunch, crunch. Breathe out, go slow. Seconds. Let's get it. Got all these rocks on my hands. Come on. No matter where you are, imagine being down here in Bryce Canyon. Let's go. Woo. Crunch it. Next we got core figure 8s. These are gonna be good ones. Plopping on the booty. Let's go. Almost there. Get right into it. Right here, so right here. Lock out. If it's too hard, tap, tap, tap. Challenge yourself. Lock it out. 30 seconds. Go slow. Coming in. Let's go, 30 seconds. Matter of fact, 15 seconds. I lied. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, running in place. Let's get it. Next one, we got, I call this squat birds. We're gonna static hold, narrow stance squat, flapping the arms. Just like so, right here, engage the core, coming down, arms. So don't just relax, squeeze every muscle in your body, belly button to spine, engage your glutes. Let's go, stomach tight. Imagine that serratus all the way coming down, squeezing. It's gonna burn, trust me. You don't need weights for this one. Or any of these exercises for that matter. As long as you're going hard, doing them correctly, all out. Let's get it. Let's go, crunch. Give you a little booty view. Remember, hotter it burns, harder it dries. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have high plank right here and just tapping, tapping, tapping. Remember, if you're a beginner, this is too hard, always go on the knees. Hitting that wild flow. Let's go. Notice I like to, a lot of people don't say turn your hips, but my hips are really tight. So I actually like to engage and squeeze up it a little bit. That's my variation. A lot of yoga teachers will be like, don't move your butt. I actually like to squeeze and engage as I come up. and a little bit less pressure off your shoulders when you're holding longer plank. 1. Ooh, run in place. Let's go, last one. We're almost there. That darn rock. Here we go. Come on. We're doing burpees. Full on push-up burpees right now. 45 seconds. Push up. Come on. Just 30 seconds. Come on. Burn it out. This is the last one. Whew. 5 seconds. Woo! Finish with the crunch. You got my breath all high and bothered. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Bryce Canyon, thank you so much. Inspiration from the hoodoos, giving us energy. Hopefully, Bryce Canyon motivated you to go extra hard on that one. Wild flow in Bryce Canyon National Park. I'm Tommy Cassano. Thank you for joining me for the Outdoor Body Workout. Go hard, do it twice, do it 3 times. Do your stretching after. Make sure you have an amazing day. Take this energy, bring it out to the world, to everyone around you, motivating you to become the best version of yourself. Have an amazing day. I'll see you next time.